Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to increase transfer limit in Google Pay. First things first, let's understand the limit Google Pay. Google Pay transaction limit can vary depending on your bank. Google and UPI, if you are having trouble making a transaction, you can also contact Google Pay support for help. But how can you change it? Well, one of the ways to change it is to contact your bank. You can request a limit increase by contacting your bank and providing the necessary documentation. Your bank will review your account activity to determine if you qualify for a higher limit. Similarly, you can respond to a warning email. If you receive a warning email for exceeding your daily transfer limit, you can reply to request a limit increase. The other way is to contact Google. You can contact a Google representative to request a limit increase. Google will review your request on a case-by-case basis and make ask for additional documentation if required. So I hope this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave us a like, comment, share this video, and see you in a new tutorial.